In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Wi-Fi speed too slow on iPhone. First, what you have to do is launch your settings. Now navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Then click on the eye icon for it. Click on the option forget this network. Now you'll need to re-enter your password and then connect to your Wi-Fi. Next, navigate to the option General. Now scroll down and head over to the option VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. If connected, disconnect to it. Then you can head back, scroll down, navigate to the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on the option Reset. Click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. With these, your problem might be fixed. Lastly, what you want to do is head back, navigate to the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your software to its latest version, and that's it. With these, your problem will be resolved. Lastly, you can check router settings. Sometimes the issue is your router. Make sure your iPhone is connecting to the 5 GHz band. It's faster than 2 GHz, especially in crowded areas. And that's it. That's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.